Welcome to ReviewMobile, your ultimate source for honest and detailed mobile reviews. Today, we're diving into the newly launched Infinix GT 30 Pro, a gaming-centric smartphone that's turning heads with its bold design and powerful specs, all while keeping an aggressive price tag. Design and build quality. The Infinix GT 30 Pro stands out with a futuristic design that features a cyberpunk-inspired rear panel and customizable RGB LED lights. It's built with a glass back and a plastic frame, offering a solid yet lightweight feel in hand. The rear LED system isn't just for looks, it supports notifications, calls, charging status, and even gaming effects, giving the device a unique identity. Display and multimedia. The device sports a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and an impressive 144Hz refresh rate. This ultra-smooth screen is perfect for gamers and content lovers, delivering vivid colors, deep blacks, and sharp details. The dual stereo speakers with DTS audio further enhance the multimedia experience. Performance and gaming. At the heart of the GT 30 Pro lies the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate chipset, paired with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256 GB UFS 3.1 storage. This combination ensures top-tier performance for gaming, multitasking, and heavy applications. Infinix has also included a vapor chamber cooling system to keep temperatures under control during long gaming sessions. Camera capabilities. On the rear, the GT 30 Pro packs a 108 megapixels primary camera, accompanied by two secondary lenses for depth and macro shots. The main sensor captures detailed images in good lighting, while the 32 megapixels front camera delivers clear selfies with decent dynamic range. While it's not a camera-first phone, it still holds its own in casual photography. Battery and charging. The device is powered by a 5000 mAh battery, which comfortably lasts a full day of heavy usage. The 45W fast charging ensures you're back in action quickly, charging from 0 to 50% in just under 30 minutes. Software and extras. Running on XOS 14 based on Android 14, the GT 30 Pro brings a clean UI with minimal bloatware. It also features game optimization tools, customizable LED settings, and extended RAM support, making it a gamer's delight. Final verdict. The Infinix GT 30 Pro is a bold step into the gaming phone category, offering flagship-like features at a mid-range price. With a stunning 144Hz AMOLED display, strong performance, unique RGB design, and solid battery life, it delivers excellent value for gamers and tech enthusiasts alike. Outro. Subscribe to Review